Hello you guys. I am talking to you from my very echoey kitchen. My new kitchen, our new kitchen. Caleb and I bought a house. If you didn't see it on Instagram, I put it on Instagram stories. And I'm so freaking excited. So we are still in Greenville, South Carolina, and we decided to stay. We love it here, and I'm at a loss for words at the fact that this is my new kitchen. This is the first sunny day since we closed on the house, and it's like what all my dreams are made of when it came to house hunting. Natural light was like on a need list for me. With me working from home, and even Caleb has been working from home since March. We needed space and we needed natural light. So that was on the need list, and we definitely got it with this house. I have 0 lights on right now. It is currently 1:38. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I'm so happy about that. So I'm so sorry about the echo. We have 0, like basically nothing in here. That's what I'm doing today, or we're doing today, is gonna start moving some stuff just slowly in our car. And the last few days, I'm just gonna kind of catch you up. So we had been house hunting since, oh gosh, I don't know, October maybe? I can't really remember exactly. It was pretty quick. The market here in Greenville is crazy. It like stuff goes like this. So basically we were just waiting for something good to pop up and jump on it. So we saw probably like 8 or 9 houses, and this one I saw on like the site the realtor had us use. It's similar to Zillow, and I saw it at like maybe 4 or 5 p.m. and told our realtor we got it scheduled to see it the next morning at 10 a.m. We were the first people to see the house. Loved it, put an offer in, and then by the next, basically that night we had it under contract, but we signed, but they had to sign. So the next day we were under contract. It was so fast. We closed on December 30th. And we are now homeowners. I am so excited. This house with the natural lighting, it also has my aesthetic, like the white, clean, bright, crisp, everything. We didn't need to paint. The people who owned it before us were actually flippers. So they flipped the house. It was a foreclosure before that. So the kitchen, like the cabinets are original. So I had to scrub those cabinets. Took me about 4 hours yesterday, and I think I put in maybe an hour the day before. To get them all cleaned out. They need a little bit of love when it comes to just like having them closed correctly, but other than that, they're beautiful. Brand new countertops, sink, fixtures, like appliances. We are getting a fridge in tomorrow, so that is amazing. So yeah, there's still some stuff that we need to do. We had to clean the whole place because for some odd reason, the people who owned it refused to clean it after they did all the renovations. So we took it upon ourselves to like basically professionally clean this place. I mopped the floors yesterday. Caleb vacuumed multiple times. Yeah, Caleb hung all the curtain rods. I'll show you that. There's been a lot to do. I still have to clean all the windows, wipe down a few more things. Once we move everything in again, I'm gonna mop again. Just because, or maybe even today, depending, I don't think I'll have time. So my next task, because I did a hack on our curtains, which I'll show you guys and explain what I did after I kind of show you the kitchen and show you around a little bit. I have to iron all the curtains and hang them up. The curtain rods are up, thank the Lord. Caleb did that for me yesterday, and it took a while, but we got it up. Because like I said, natural light was a big deal, so we needed a lot of curtain rods. I think there's gonna be 7. One of them doesn't have a curtain rod because it's a bigger window than I thought. So we have a suspension rod at our apartment now that we're gonna use for that. So anyway, I'll explain later. But yeah, sorry about the echo. I have a load of stuff in the car right now that I need to bring in, but I'll at least show you the kitchen right now and the curtains that I'm talking about. So I also have footage, I hope I put it in there, have footage of me scrubbing out the cabinets. And what worked the best was, if you don't follow, first of all, Go Clean Co. I've talked about it in another video of me cleaning the apartment. You need to, because she has literally saved my life when it came to cleaning this house, because like I said, it was so bad. Look at this lighting, you guys. Vlogging is gonna be so much easier because this is all natural lighting. It's beautiful. I am so freaking excited. Okay. And just filming, and I feel like this house is just, it's inspiring me already. I'm so excited to decorate and see it come to life. We move, by the way, today's Sunday. We closed on this past Wednesday and we move Saturday, this following Saturday. We wanted some time to be able to clean the place with New Year's Eve and New Year's and stuff. We wanted time. And then also we were back home in Michigan for Christmas for a week. So it was just crazy. We came back like 2 days before close. It was insane. It's been a busy time, but we're getting it done. So let me show you around. So I am standing right now. These are the back doors. Look at this kitchen, you guys. I am so excited. Sorry about the trash, but you know. This is the kitchen. Like I said, the aesthetic is exactly how I wanted it. I love these countertops. They're like almost like a cookies and cream, I want to say, kind of granite. I love that it's a single sink. It doesn't have the middle divider bar because those are kind of a pain. The only thing we didn't get with these, or this kitchen, is a pantry. There is like a tall pantry here, which actually has a lot more storage than I thought. I mean, compared to what we have now, which is literally just one single cabinet, this is a lot more space, so it should be okay. But that's the one thing I didn't get, is like a walk-in pantry. But I love the subway tile. Like I said, we have a fridge coming tomorrow. For some reason, that's like a thing in South Carolina. A lot of times they don't have fridges with like new builds, and like obviously this was a flip, and then even sometimes people take their fridge with them. I don't understand. Oh, I need to clean off the top of this. So I gotta clean the appliances a little bit. I wanna wipe them down since they are new. And then on this side, this is the view. So I love the unique shape of the island. I think it is beautiful. We're gonna get some bar stools on the other side, probably 4, like 2 here and 2 here. There is a ceiling fan there. So these are the curtains that I need to iron. See the curtain rods? Maybe a table over there, maybe a sitting area over there. I have a lot of ideas. It's just like what exactly we wanna do kind of thing. So the other thing I'm super excited about is obviously the fireplace. It's pretty basic, but I think it adds a really beautiful like element. So we do have like a pergola in our backyard too, over the patio, which is kind of cool. I did bring over some of my plants already. I just have to bring over my big fiddle leaf. Like, they're gonna thrive here because it's so bright and sunny. I'm so excited. So yeah, this is the kitchen, which I'm so excited for. I love the high ceilings as well. The flooring, I don't know if I showed you guys this. This is like I think it's a laminate, but it looks like marble tile, which is beautiful. And then I don't know if this is vinyl or what this is, or maybe that's vinyl or laminate or something like that. So, okay, and this is the big living room. So this is the window I was talking about that needs the suspension rod because it has that area that dents in basically, or dents out, and it's a 3 window, and these are all 2. So this is gonna be nice and bright, which I'm so excited for. And then we'll probably, I think right now, we're thinking that our TV is gonna go here. Sorry, it's blurry. There we go. It doesn't know where to focus with all these white or gray walls. So yeah, big open living area. Probably put something here, seating area or table or something. I don't know for sure yet. So I'm standing at the entrance to our bedroom right now. So again, nice double window. Caleb got the curtain rod, ceiling fan. It looks dark, I think, just because it doesn't know where to focus, but it really is nice and bright in here. We got our internet set up, which is fiber optic, which I'm so excited about because it'll be nice and fast. So obviously it's empty in here, but our bedroom is a unique shape, so it's not like actually a square. So we'll probably put our TV here, bed against this wall, and then see how it kind of cuts out there. So this goes into the walk-in closet. This is a tiny doorway. I never really noticed that. Which honestly is bigger than it kind of looks on camera. So this is our walk-in closet, which is obviously very nice. Caleb did all these vacuum lines, and I am very impressed. Like, it looks professional, to be honest. I love it. Okay. Then this is what I'm so excited about is our bathroom. Once this focuses. Okay, you guys, this bathroom I'm so excited about. Okay, so beautiful shower. Love the shower. The black fixtures. We put in all of these, so I can link these. These are from Amazon. They are very heavy duty, very affordable. Along with this, and then we are going to either get a new mirror or we're going to like frame this out because they didn't replace the mirrors and they just kind of look dingy on the sides and stuff. So we're gonna either put a frame around, like I said, or get a new mirror. Not a huge fan of that fixture, but it's all good. And then this is the vanity, which I'm so excited to have drawers. We haven't had drawers in a really long time, so a nice big vanity. Obviously not a double sink, but that's okay. Same flooring as the kitchen is in the bathrooms. And then, like I said, this toilet paper holder, which I love the fact that it doesn't have one of those little suspension things. You literally just slide this on. This is from Amazon as well, and it's very good quality, so I can link that as well. And yeah, look how just bright it is in here. And then we have a nice big linen closet, which I'm so excited about because we have no storage in our apartment right now. And then this is the guest bath. It's messy in here. So they didn't replace this vanity, so I did the same thing with the cabinetry as I did the kitchen. It was disgusting, so I completely wiped it all out. Now it is nice and clean. This is the stuff for all the fixtures. We were just hanging all of them in here as well. Same thing, I love hooks instead of a towel bar, because towel bars, oh my gosh, your towels never look cute anyway, so you might as well get hooks. Same with this bathroom. The mirror is in okay shape. It's just like the edges that look kind of dingy. So either get a new one or make a frame. This is the original tub that needs a little bit more scrubbing. Got my cleaning supplies. So basically the only thing they did in here is the floors, which is okay. But and then we added all of the fixtures, so. And then this is gonna be my office, so nice and bright. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to film in here. I could probably film with natural light. And then this closet, luckily, since it's mine, and then they randomly didn't replace some of the knobs in the guest room closet, so I'm either gonna spray paint these or get new ones. So the closet in here doesn't look big until you like get into it. See how much space there is in between like here and here. So this is the bigger of the two, which is lucky because it's mine. So I'll just be putting, you know, either clothes that I'm filming with or something in there, or extra clothes that can't fit in the closet that we're gonna share, because our walk-in closet, I think we're gonna be able to share it because it is pretty big. And then we have one more bedroom, which this is the only one in the house that still had blinds, so we'll have to get blinds eventually, but we're just gonna put up curtains for now. and see all the curtain rods in every single window. And so this is just kind of the storage room for now because it was the only one with blinds. So anything we wanted to leave here, like the Sonos, you know, we didn't want someone obviously to break in and steal it while we haven't been here. So, and just a pretty basic room. It's about the same size, maybe a little bigger than the other one that's gonna be my office, maybe like a foot bigger on one side. And this will be Caleb's office and guest room. And then this closet is definitely smaller, but you know, it'll just work for storage. That is it. Oh, I guess the laundry closet. So we have a laundry closet, not a laundry room. So that was another thing that I didn't get on my list, but it wasn't something that like I needed. So this is the laundry closet. I'm going to eventually probably dress this up a little bit, maybe better shelving. I don't know, accent wall in the back, like make it look super cute. Right now there are no doors, but they did leave doors in the attic. So I think we'll be able to put those back on. Or if they don't work, we're gonna definitely get doors because it's like right off of the kitchen. So laundry will go here. So yeah, as you can tell, I am over the moon excited to have this beautiful, beautiful house. It is way more space than we're in right now. So it's gonna be so nice. We also have a backyard that we're gonna fence in for Luna, which I'm so excited about. The patio like space is decently big, so we can, you know, entertain out there. I'm just so grateful. I'm just so grateful. So anyway, that's about it. Oh, let me show you these curtains. So I'm going to be ironing them and everything. Wow, it's really overexposed. Okay. So these curtain rods are all from Amazon and they are, I think 48 to 88 inches or something, which we needed because these, especially these doors are really wide. And then obviously these windows are a little smaller. And these curtains, or you could say they're curtains, but they're not really curtains, are extra long twin sheets from Walmart. I saw this hack on Pinterest and thought it was the best idea ever. So I feel like I'm yelling with this echo. So basically you get a twin extra long sheet and then these clips, if you can see those clips up there, I'll show you them close up. And you clip them onto the sheet. So there's a couple different ways you can hang them. There you can see the clips. This way you can't see the clips, which is probably how I'll do it. But once I iron these, I think they'll lay a lot better. But I just wanted to make sure that this curtain rod that is very affordable, I think it was $18, I wanted to make sure it would hold the sheets okay and not buckle in the middle even with that. But these are so lightweight that they're not going to, it's not gonna have any issues. So the best thing about this like hack for curtains is that I wanted white curtains anyway, and I think the sheets that I got have multiple different colors. So if you want like a different color, I think you could do it. But I could do 7 different windows for around $250 to $300. I can't remember the exact price, and that's for the clips, the sheets, and the curtain rods. So I am blown away by this, and I think they're gonna look absolutely beautiful once I get them ironed and everything. So that's my task right now. Once I bring the stuff in from the cart, I gotta hurry though, because I'm assuming Caleb's gonna wanna come over here at some point in the near-ish future. So he's at the apartment right now with Luna. So anyway, that's about it.